Hey you guys, I'm back with another video. I'm so exhausted. I've been cleaning up my house. Ever since I got up, I shampooed my carpet and I'm trying to wait. All this over here I shampooed and everything. I cleaned up under the Christmas tree. I'm just waiting now for my son to take the tree down. And I done cleaned up all the gifts and everything. This is my popcorn tin here. Okay. This right here is just a bag of like wrapping paper. I tell you about this is garbage. Wrapping paper and boxes and stuff. It's just garbage. It had to be taken out. I'm so exhausted. There's a gift over there. There's pink toys. And this is a gift that I had wrapped there. Because these are some more gifts that I have to go take them to family. It's been so cold, you guys, so these gifts I have to take to family. And I just got right there and pooped out. I couldn't do no more. And this is my baby Binks. She's asleep. Okay, you guys. I shampooed all over here. I'm just waiting for this to dry. And this big other little toy I found in the basement, she almost took my fingers off because this has a really short handle on here. And I didn't realize when I was playing with her and then she grabbed my finger. So that's been there ever since. So it's 37 degrees today and it's melting a lot of this snow. And I think it's supposed to get a big warm up like in the 50, guys. Can you believe that? And it's supposed to get some rain. So I know it'll probably be melting a lot of snow. So I have to get prepared for that. I hope nobody have any flooding. So I've been wiping down, sanitizing, shampooing, vacuuming, up and down, up and down. And this is one of the gifts my son gave me here. So I'm eager to try that. You guys. Okay. And then that's basically it. That's basically it. That I was trying to figure out what I was going to have for dinner. They don't get that far yet. And here's some more stuff, you guys. I have to throw out. And this is like cake that was in my freezer. French toast sticks and things has been in my freezer. These are empty boxes here. So after that, you guys, I will be just set. And I think once I finish doing all of this, I'm going to go back upstairs in my room and I'm going to relax. All right, you guys, I just wanted to stop in and say hello and let you guys know what I was doing. And I'm going to take a break. And I thank you guys for watching. Bye-bye now.